What up, YouTube? I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's your G King Shoe, man. Out here in Baltimore. It's the blizzard of 2016. Just gonna document this real quick. I'm on my bop right now. Y'all know I'm from Harlem, baby. This snow don't stop nothing. You heard? Yeah. But come give y'all a quick update, man. I'm still out here, still focused. I just ain't get to it yet, you feel me? Had to get some shit squared away with my family, finances and shit like that. But in the previous videos, I told you I might be going to Warner or Western Express. Changed my mind on that. Now I got 3 different options I'm really looking into. Now that I'm getting my situation together, you know, the picture coming more clearer. So right now it might be I'm leaning towards Prime, but I'm also looking at US Express, and also I'm looking at Pepsi Cola, which is a local joint. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm definitely gonna keep y'all posted. I know I ain't been posting as many videos as I was, but 2016, trust me, there's more to come. It's gonna get crazier. You know what I'm saying? Got my man, the Right Brotha, out there. I think he about to do his own op thing. He ready to get this money. My man Trucker Brown out there getting that fetty. He on the op already doing his thing. He teaching us the game, not being selfish. And my man Sinnizter and little guy Trucker done linked up. It's over for the game. You hear me? And I'm about to put my foot up in the game, so you know it's over. But yeah, we out here, baby. 2016. If I'm on my good old bop, you know I'm gonna be rolling. And you know I'm gonna be rolling. So this shit don't stop nothing, man. If it ain't life threatening, you keep it moving. The show must go on. But yeah, like I said, man, 2016 is gonna be more videos. You feel me? Just had a couple things to take care of. But holla at your G, man. King Shoe, man. Like, subscribe, leave your comments. Also go holla at me on Instagram. King_Shoe. You already know. Hotel.